Hey everybody, Monty Reed here. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about training for your first marathon. I've done other runs before. When I was in the military, I run 27, 30, 40 miles, but never actually competed in an actual marathon. The most I've ever done officially is 5K events, and including the St. Patrick's Day Dash with the life suit. But I've never actually done a marathon, and so I just started training for that. As most of you know, I've done the Seattle to Portland 200-mile bicycle ride twice, and also competed in a lot of Century or 100-mile bicycle rides. So 3 days ago, I just started running. I only ran a quarter mile, and then the second day I did a half mile, and today's the third day. I did 1 full mile, and I'm slowly going to work up or ramp up. They talk about on a lot of the websites for training is doing 12 to 40 miles a week, and so I'm just going to listen to my body and see where I'm at to get up to where I can do. My goal is to easily run 27 miles. That's my goal, because the marathon's less than that. It's 26 point something. So my goal is just to get down a good time for 27-mile run. So so far I'm hurting a little bit, but feeling better. The benefit of the exercise far outweighs the pain from the running. So I'm pretty excited about it. The stem cell therapy has relieved the majority of the pain in my mid-back, and I'm looking forward to having the money to get the other 19 injections that I need for the other wrecked part of my body. As most of you know, the military or the VA, the Veterans Administration, does not pay for stem cell therapy. I did scrape up some money last year and did injections at one of the crushed vertebrae, and that is healed up. So it's been very exciting. I'm raising money now to do the other 19 injections. So I'm just looking to, I was in contact with a couple of stem cell treatment centers in India yesterday and today. So just looking at planning that. I need to go to India anyway for that documentary on the goats and some more about emergency curry. And so just excited, wanted to check in with you guys and talk to you about training for my first marathon and let you know how it goes. Thanks again for checking in. This is Monty Reed for YouTube. Have a great day.